This is a nice day.
Yeah, that looks like a great popsicle. I love it. We're on summer vacation, no school.
Yeah.
Enjoying our pool party.
Yeah.
No, don't smash the popsicle. Eat the popsicle. Let's go down the slide.
Okay.
Woohoo! I'm gonna go this way out of the pool because I'm crazy. Woohoo! Landed it!
Landed it in the pool.
Woohoo!
Give me this.
Okay.
Write it down backwards.
Backwards down the pool. You're crazy, Megalodon. That popsicle was delicious.
My turn.
What? Ah! It's a Megalodon storm!
We're safe. We're out of the pool.
Yeah, there's no way he can get us out here. Oh, no! He's coming! We're safe over here.
Wait, stop. Come back.
See you later, alligator! Run! Run! Here he comes! Run! Oh, we're safe. He flipped over. We're safe. Go, go, go. Oh, no! He can still move! Run!
I finally caught you guys.
What do you want? Don't eat us.
I don't want to eat you.
You don't want to eat us?
I want to give you a present. Present!
Thank you! Wow, look at this, Megalodon.
Mega Construx. You can, it's a tiger shark. I thought you'd like it because it's a shark and you guys are sharks.
Thanks, Megalodon Storm. You're the best. Let me get a high tire. All right, let's put this together. You want to put this together?
Yeah, it's fun. I love it. Thanks for the present, Megalodon. Bye.
Bye.
Kids to kids. Welcome back, kids. Today we're going to build a tiger shark Mega Construx monster truck.
From Hot Wheels?
Yeah.
Cool, man.
Should be easier because it's 5+.
So, what easier than what?
Easier than those ones, Maxie and Regular.
Oh yeah, we
8 and up.
these are for 8 and up.
Mhm.
Yeah, we built these before on another video.
I had a lot of tears with it.
You had a lot of tears.
Mhm.
Those are cool too because they're pullbacks.
Mhm.
I wonder if this one's a pullback.
Let's see.
It looks like it comes with a guy, right?
Mhm. Maybe he's pulled back.
A pullback guy?
Mhm. Let's open this though.
There's a little opening on the front there because Caleb dropped it in the water pool.
Yeah.
Hey, look it right here. I saw some lines right here. I wonder if you push those down on both sides. Push it down on the other side too. Yeah. That's a really neat idea.
These tires are heavy and big.
Whoa, those are heavy and big.
The constructions. And then here's all the Legos and stuff.
2 bags.
Mhm. And here's the guy.
I see him.
Well, let's get started. Look at.
Transform your box into a ramp. I think we messed that up.
Yep.
That's okay. We have plenty of ramps to play with.
So it says first. Okay, let's see. Oh, this is the car.
Oh, I see the base. Oh, look, yeah. Then you take the car, you take off its wheels, and then you put them on top. So it is a car and a monster truck.
This is gonna be difficult.
No, there's only 60 things. You've done things a lot bigger than 60. So let's start with bag one and build the car first.
Okay. I'm gonna go get the scissors.
Okay. That sounds like a good idea. Bags in bags in bags in bags.
Cool. Wait, so basically you just build the top.
Yeah, build the car first.
Oh, so this is gonna be easy at first.
That's what I'm saying.
I didn't even have to build this.
Oh, that's cool. Let me see. Ah! You took his head off! Oh, so you can take him apart.
Cool.
He looks like he has like a tiger shark teeth on his helmet. Awesome. Okay, let's do it.
Alright, so it says first.
Let's open these bags up. How about that?
Yeah, open these bags, even though there are bags inside bags inside bags.
Bags inside bags inside bags. This is where Caleb's at right now. He dropped a piece.
Put it around it. Put this.
These are all of our pieces. This is the way we like to do stuff. We like to organize it by color. It's a little easier to find. And now he's hard at work. How's it going?
Good?
No problemo?
Yeah, I guess so.
Cool. You seem so happy. You seem like the happiest boy in the world. You're so intense. You're focusing so hard.
Yeah, I like Legos.
They are fun. It's fun to build, for sure.
Hi, Superman.
How's it going?
Good? Something keeps scratching my face and does something like that.
Wow, Caleb, you're building this so fast. So this is not too bad
Yeah?
compared to those Monster Jam ones? What is this thing? I've been looking at this piece the whole time. What is that?
Maybe, I don't know.
Do you think it's a piece or do you think it's a tool?
I think it's a tool.
I do too. Like, you can pull things up with it. You can like pop things off with it. Maybe you can poke things out. This is actually kind of neat.
Uh-huh.
Charlene, do you want to eat it? Yes, I want to eat it.
No, she doesn't. Look at, so usually normal steering wheels on Legos wouldn't roll, but look at this. This is different.
Oh, that's fun. This is going by pretty quick.
Yeah. And now I'm going to do this cool big part.
Ooh, it's got the word tiger shark on it. Awesome. Oh, it's got teeth on the side and eyes. Let me see the top here. It says tiger shark.
And let me show you one more cool thing.
Okay. I am the biggest tiger shark of them all. Yeah! Almost done. Looks really awesome.
Tires on. So let me show what the car looks like.
Okay, we'll do the car first.
Just so show you what it looks like. And then we'll do the monster. Let me get this.
Whoa, this is so awesome.
Whoa.
Wait, you got a few more pieces.
Really? Oh yeah, I do.
You got all these wings. Okay, it's happening, it's happening. He's got a few more pieces left, kids. It's just 2 more fins. Charlene's really excited too. Oh wait, I think this is backwards.
Oh, this side.
Yeah. Yes.
And then this is it. So we gotta put the guy in, which I don't want to do.
This is the tiger shark car. Congratulations, Caleb.
We're not doing the car.
No! We're doing the
Monster truck.
take those wheels off. We took the wheels off, and now we have a flying shark.
She's
Ship.
flying fish.
Flying fish.
And that would be cool if it was a ship. I'm gonna open this up, dump it out.
Bags in, bags in, bags in, bags.
Back. This doesn't look too complicated. It's not as much pieces.
So you definitely think these are easier to do than the Monster Jam Lego ones?
Yeah.
You've been cranking these out pretty fast, and you got some tires over here.
This one. Roll the tires again.
Those tires are humongous.
I know. They're giant. They're big.
They look like our big monster trucks when the wheels break off.
Yeah. Well, look at building, right, Charlene?
She said, yeah!
I got 2 big ones.
Enjoying our chocolate coins.
Yeah. And I got 2 of the same size ones, and they're like the same size Oreo cover.
Oh.
This is $1 million.
We're rich! And then we're celebrating. We're almost finished with this. It literally took 6 minutes. That was so quick. You just gotta slip the bars in, and then that's it. While you guys get to listen to Charlene cry. You finished, Mom.
Wow.
Wasn't that quick?
That was fast.
Wasn't that quick? Were you crying? Who's making all that noise over there? Who's making all that noise over there?
Me.
Caleb just busted this out so fast. So that's good. This is a good one for the littler kids, huh? Able to get this done like a normal Lego set. There it is. Oh no, you got 2 more. You got these 2 guys left.
Okay, now turn the next.
Oh, put the tiger shark ship on top. These just slip in and then you click them on.
Yep. That. We're finished.
Yeah, you finished. High five.
It's not a pullback,
It's not a pullback.
but it can.
It has a little wobble to it, huh? That's
It
kind of.
turns.
That's kind of cool.
See?
There's a little wobble to it. Let's take a look at it.
Mom, I forgot to show you what kind of frog I got.
Man, this is awesome. Let's try it on some ramps, Caleb.
Okay.
There's Tiger Shark truck. Here, can you push him towards me? Show what it's like to push it. Oh, wow. It's very straight. I thought it was going to be wobbly. Hey! How'd you get it to go straight? Mine's always wobbly. Wow, that's impressive, Caleb.
Oh, you just broke up the windshield. How dare you?
Watch me push it, kids. I push it so straight.
Wow.
Isn't that impressive?
Tell me what the competitions are.
The competitions. Okay, so we set up some ramps right here. I don't even think it's gonna be able to do a flip ramp. But I was just thinking we could try to jump over some of these ramps, and I think the fins are gonna break off, so I don't think you're gonna be able to push it without breaking a fin off.
I think I am able to push it without breaking the fin off.
And if a fin breaks off, that's okay. Like we can just take some of them
The
off.
competition is for him to try to not break the fin off.
Okay, let's try it.
You ready?
Yeah. Oh, first jump. Vroom, vroom. No fins broken off. Vroom, vroom.
He touches everything. You pushed him.
He's like, no, thank you. I don't want to touch it. No, thank you. What do you think's gonna happen with these jumps?
I don't know. He landed again.
Nice jump, Tigers. Ah, you broke a fin off. If some of these fins break off, that's okay. I want to hit some of these ramps. Ah!
All right, I'll try to get you out breaking anything.
Nice.
Want to do this ramp? Okay.
I guess so.
Oh.
Big air, Tiger Shark.
And he almost fell on his side.
Now this one, I know he's gonna break. What the heck? Where'd that tire go?
Got it.
Wow, you have met your match, Tiger Shark.
Wait, what? How do I?
Oh man, we're gonna need to pause this. Tiger Shark hits big air ramp, take 2. You think you're ready? Oh, it's kind of like a flip ramp. Here, I have an idea. Just take this off and this off.
Oh, yeah.
And let's see if we can bust it. Now go for it. Like, you don't have to push it super hard, but try and get it over that ramp. Oh, it's kind of like a flip ramp, huh? Ah. Got it!
Yeah.
Oh, save it, save it. Oh.
He keeps crashing.
It's, oh. Yeah, it's hard for him to go straight. That was good. He landed
And
it.
he dodged this.
Oh, he's going for the...
He just smashes into it.
He just totally smashed
Again?
into it. Here, just try it one time. Try it one more time.
Come on.
I know. Try it one more time. I don't think he's going to flip. Probably your best chance at a flip is that other ramp. Wheelie!
That's even better.
Are you still going to try and... Whoa! That's hilarious.
I thought it was going to land and then the wheels popped up and landed on his nose wheeling.
Nose wheelie on 2 wheels, literally.
That's crazy.
I thought you were going to try and do this. Are you trying to do a bicycle? Or, I mean,
I'm going to try to do
Oh, big air! So you got one. I'll let you do one more. What are you going to try and do?
bicycle.
So what do you... Oh. What do you want to try and make it do? Show me. Oh, and then you want it to do 2 wheels? Do the bicycle? All right, let's see if we can get it. You're going to try one more time for that bicycle?
Uh-huh.
All right, let's do it. It's hard. Oh. Yeah, it's tough. Oh!
It's like,
Do you think you got one in then? Nice! That was awesome. It was like a backward slap wheelie. Yeah!
bye-bye.
Hey, what's going on over here?
Yeah!
Hey, what's going on over here?
Monster Jam?
Yeah, let's do some is someone doing Monster Jam over here? What? Did you pull it back? These are... Okay.
Ready?
Ready.
Sarah,
Ready. Whoa! Sky wheelie. Wow! Landed it. Yeah. These guys are... Whoa! Yeah, that's how you do a big air, tiger shark. Whoa! That was good. I landed it at least. Oh, Kale's pulling it all the way back. And now he's gonna let it go. Almost.
How much is this? If I had much more time, I could do this.
He could have saved it. Oh yeah. I remember in Monster Jam when he did that.
Whoa, you almost did a bicycle.
That was
The
awesome.
bicycle was him.
Oh! Here, let me try. Let me try on this. Big air!
Oh my goodness!
Ow!
He did this. He did a bicycle in the air and then he landed it.
Nice.
Max is one of my favorite trucks. Because he's a good winner and he's cool with the spikes.
Definitely.
The reason I don't like Red Digger is because he wins every time.
He does win every time.
He's so good.
Well, what do you think of Tiger Shark?
He's cool.
Definitely. Especially if you're a little bit younger, this might be a little easier to put together. These are a little tougher, but this was definitely easier.
Mm-hmm.
And it's definitely cool.
Bye-bye. Thanks for making me, guys.
No problem. Do you want to go swim in the pool with us?
Yeah.
All right, last one's in a rotten egg. Woo! Ah!
This. Can you watch out?
Watch out. I'll move out of the way. Ah!
Hi, guys.
It's Megalodon Storm. Thanks for the present, Megalodon Storm. Tiger Shark is so awesome.
Now I can count 1, 2, 3. I can eat.
What? You can eat? Ah!
Please subscribe and watch more videos on my channel. Kids to Kids.